Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And without any delay, let's jump back to our transformation journey. And this is the day. On this day, I learned some rowing, decline bench press, big flies, and isolate row, and I rows, kickbacks, bicep curls, and finally I go down and get out of the gym. And the next day, I have done knee to elbow and Russian twist and planks and step ups and punching jab and cross, battle ropes, spinning, and finally I go down and get out of the gym. And on this day I have done 18 kilometers cycling in the morning, and on the same day I have also done 18 kilometers cycling in the evening too. And on the next day I again got back into the gym, and on this day I have done some push-ups and then shoulder taps with smoke squats, crunches, jumping jacks, kettle kicks, and finally I stretched out and get out of the gym. And again on this day too I have done cycling for 18 kilometers, and then on this day again in the evening, which is about the night, I have again done 18 kilometers cycling. Then on the next day I have done 40 kilometers cycling, which is about 2 hours and 45 minutes. And before going into the next thing, this video is sponsored by BuyMote. BuyMote is a e-shopping app. It is just like Amazon and Flipkart, more like Blinkit. You can download and use the app, and the link is in the description. Go and check it out, guys. And next day is the push day, and on this day I have done push-ups and chest press and shoulder press, tricep extensions, lateral raises, tricep push down, and treadmill. And finally I do some stretches and get out of the gym. And on the next day I have done pull-ups and back pull down, isolated row, bicep curls, hammer curls, and twitches curls, and finally I stretched out and get out of the gym. This is the full day. And the next thing, it's the day. I have done like extension, like curl, like press, and other things. And on the next day I have done butterfly tags, like other things and other stuffs. And this is the Monday. I took Sunday as the school. And on Tuesday I have done again Russian twist, knee to elbow, planks, and pull-ups with assisted hanging knee raises, and I finally got some stretches and got out of the gym. And on the Wednesday I have done push-ups, shoulder taps, flutter kicks, snow squats, lunges, jumping jack, and finally I stretched out and got out of the gym. And on Thursday I have done some push-ups, chest press, tricep push down, shoulder press, tricep extensions, lateral rise, dead hang, pull-ups, and finally I stretched out and got out of the gym. And this is on Friday. I have done assisted pull-ups, lat pull down, isolate row, bicep curl, hammer curl, twitches curl, and finally I got some dead hang and races and got out of the gym. And this is the last day I have just done the squat and hack squat, and I have completely exhausted and get out of the gym. And on this day I have done 20 kilometers cycling afternoon, and again 20 kilometers cycling in the evening too. So that's it there. Make sure to like and subscribe and keep supporting. Thank you.